In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to solve derivatives with SymPy, specifically power rule. Now, we can start off here by doing from SymPy, import symbols and diff. Those are the two functions we're going to be using here. So the first thing we're going to do here is define x as a symbol. Now, what this allows us to do is we can now use x as its own unknown instead of it being defined as a physical variable. We can then come down to the next line and also define our function, so our f. Now, our f, in this case, is going to be x, and let's do it to the power of 5. So what we're doing here is we're using x, our symbol here, and we're putting it to the power of 5. After writing this out, we can just run this, and now our f is stored as this function. So what we can now do is we can come down a line and we can do diff, so differentiate, parenthesis, f comma x, and we can run that. Now you can see we get this notation here, 5x to the power of 4, the proper derivative for x to the power of 5. Now what this is just doing is it's computing the first derivative of f with respect to x. Now for the power rule, this is all you'll simply have to do. I have one more function here that I'll just copy and paste in. You could write out your own function if you would like, and we're just going to give it one more try. And now you can see it gave us the derivative of this function. Now this is how you can solve derivatives with power rule. In other tutorials, we're going to be covering quotient rule, product rule, etc. So stay tuned for that, and I hope this helps.